that go tell it on the mountain.
Nĩ mũcemanio wa kanja ya makanitha wa kũhinga mwaka ũrĩa ũkĩte thikũ nini tu thutha wa gĩkundi kĩa NYANAKE gũtharĩkĩra kanitha ũrĩa mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa DCP Rigathĩ Gachagua athomaga mwena wa Kariobangi gũkũ Nairobi, ũrĩa wacũngĩrĩirie rĩera rĩa kũruta maithori gũikio kanitha-inĩ ũcio. Kanja ĩno ĩgĩkũmithia gĩko gĩkĩ na gũkũmithia ateti arĩa marahũthĩra NYANAKE gũtabania ciĩko icio.
To use violence as a means of gaining political support. The culture of violence has to be rejected by all, and as we go towards 2027, we don't want to see Kenya sliding into the slippery path of darkness and bloodshed as we saw in 2007. Let us make 2027 peaceful, and by doing that, it is by making sure there is no impunity of politicians. Anyone who does violence must be brought to justice.
The anger and despondency among Kenyans is a time bomb waiting for the slightest spark to explode.
Kanju ĩno ĩkiuga mũtugo ũcio nĩ wa kũguoyohia mũingĩ, kuona thirikari na makĩria rũhonge rwa borithi rũkoretwo rũkĩhingira maitho ateti acio na ikundi icio cia NYANAKE.
We have seen and witnessed that in the last by-election and also in other political activities that politicians have chosen violence as a tool to use in getting votes or getting influence. But we also have seen that the National Police Service and other security agencies, instead of stopping and arresting and prosecuting those who are committing these crimes, we find that the government is condoning them, shielding them and protecting them.
The failure by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, that is IEBC, the police and other state organs to punish the offenders has given indications of intent to water down democracy. What hope do Kenyans have that 2027 general elections will be any different? We don't have any hope.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu, Kanju nĩ yugĩte thirikari nĩ ĩtiganĩirie Akenya kuona rũhonge rwa gĩthomo na rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ no mathĩna kĩondo rita.
We have promises on SHA which are not being delivered, and when we talk to the public, they are saying if SHA cannot deliver the promise of health financing, then they should be disbanded.
About 77% indicate that they are poorer today than they were 1 year ago. More than 60% would not re-elect any of the current political leaders, from the member of the county assembly to the president.
Kanju ĩgĩikia rĩtana kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ kwĩyumĩria na kũhũranĩra gũtetera ihoto ciao na kũhũranĩra iturwa cia ũtongoria.
The cost of living in Kenya is too high and the impact is devastating. The exit of multiple companies from the country due to a toxic business environment has led to massive unemployment, which has led to a radical drop in the purchasing power of citizens, and which has also led to a collapse of small and micro businesses.
Magĩthiĩ na mbere na kuga no nginyagia makinya marumu makinyũkio gũtigĩrĩra bũrũri nĩ werũgamia ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire.
A devastated people.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Njaũ ya Kĩnuthia.
Our 9 regions